off my eye!
Uh-oh, Patrick. I think I have the... hiccups.
Hiccups? I want some. I'm so hungry.
Oh, here comes another one, Patrick. Thanks, buddy. We're almost there. Just a few more steps and we'll claim that free lunch. Well, this is a dilly of a pickle.